Namaste. Yoga, as we know, are not only limited to asanas. There are different stages, different levels in the life of a yogi person. Now, apart from asanas, we have bandhas, mudras, pranayama. In today's video, we will see something about pranayama. So, we are not going to cover the techniques or different pranayama techniques. Instead, we will see what are the few things, precautions that we have to keep in mind while practicing pranayama. So pranayama, as we know, is regulation of the pranic force, the life force, which we cannot regulate directly, but we regulate this pranic force by regulating our breath, which is directly connected to prana. Now, few things before start practicing pranayama. First of all, never rush into the practice of pranayama. Find a calm, soothing space. Try to sit where you are undisturbed for at least 10 to 15 minutes when in a beginner level, and relax your body, relax your mind, and then gradually start with the pranayama practice. The next point, if you are an absolute beginner, or if you are not doing pranayama for quite some time, or if you are having any health conditions or undergone any health conditions, always seek an expert guidance. Practice pranayama under the guidance of an experienced yoga teacher or a person who is well versed with different techniques of pranayama. Third point, when you are doing the pranayama practice, when you are inhaling and exhaling, keep in mind that your inhalations and exhalations are continuous, gentle, without any breaks, and also avoid making any sound while inhaling and exhaling. Only you should be knowing that you are inhaling and exhaling. The person sitting next to you should not hear the sound of your breath when you inhale or exhale. Next point, never overstrain yourself. Practice ahimsa. Respect your body. Respect where you are standing. Never compare with others. When you feel out of breath or when you feel overstraining yourself, relax yourself into the posture. Sit comfortable for some time and then continue the pranayama practice. One should enjoy the practice of doing the pranayama. The last point, never practice pranayama in an empty stomach. If you had a heavy meal or any sort of snacks, always give a gap. Always give at least 2.5 hours or 3 hours, 2.5 to 3 hours before doing a pranayama practice. So these are few of the points that you should keep in mind while practicing pranayama. Happy learning. Thank you. Dhanyavad.